So this is our porous media, which is named or being named by the COMSOL as a BLK1, which is short form of block 1, and this is our cylinder, which is named as CYL1. You can see it from here. Now what I will do, I'll try to separate these areas. This is a single area, this is just a circle in between area. So I try to separate these areas. How will I do that? In the cylinder, I will try to cut this area. Okay, so what I will do, I'll go to right click in the geometry and find a boolean in partition and make the difference. So to make a difference, I have to select an object, main object, reference object, and I click once in the block 1, and then I tick this one, and this part I want to delete and make a single click in view selected. I'll see there is a change. I have deleted this area. This is one single area. Now I want to make as again this area with this same radius. What I will do, I'll make a duplicate of this cylinder. I don't want to give the inputs again, so I will draw an same circle with same radius to build another area which will not be attached to this area. So let's see what happens. This is like now two different areas. Previously it was the same area, but it was a block, it was a circle. Now this is an area and this is another area. Okay, so our main purpose is to create a grout lining of 11 centimeter. What how I will do, I will make a duplicate of this thing in this here. Now we will do another circle which is less than 11 centimeter of 3.81, which is 3.7, and let's see what happens. Okay, now I see that there is another area, another circle has been driven, and this is the layer particularly I want to choose. Now I see that this is area, this is an area, this is a circle, this is in between this area, and this is an area. So I want to differentiate this is an area, this grout. So what I will do, I will make another difference. Now what I will do, the reference is this area, right? And I want to this is the reference. Okay, it's already been selected. Okay, I deselected and I will select again. Okay, and I want to delete this area. Look closely what happens. Fact is be selected. Okay, so what we got, like this is an area now, which is a grout layer. Okay, you can unzoom this and see this, and you can see this as a zoom again. This is an area, this is an area, and we will name this as grout. Okay, just okay, it will be named as grout. Why? In some sections we will see when you call that grout, the difference too will be called here. And now guess what I am going to do, I am going to make another layer of lining, which is concrete. So simply I will copy this thing, or I can make a duplicate, and let's guess what I will do, I will make a same circle with radius 3.7, and then I will do try to find the lining thickness, which is 30 centimeter, and let's see what happens. So when I do this, now we can see that this is an area, one area, this is one area, and this is another area. 1, 2, 3 areas. Now what I will do, I will make another duplicate, and here what I will do, like this is like 3.7 radius. I want to make an lining of 30 centimeters in thickness. So if I subtract this, it will be as a circle of 3.4 meter. And if I draw this, let's see what happens here. Okay, so you have to be clear that this is area and this is a circle. So I want to delete this thing. How? Simply the again thing, another difference, and this is has been on. So I will select the bigger area 3.7 and subtract the smaller area 3.4, and let's see what happens. Okay, so we are all set. This is our lining, this is our grout, and this is the porous media, and we will name this here as lining. Okay, we are all set. Now we will see, this is our tunnel. A beautiful one with a lining, with a grout and a porous media. And in the next steps I will draw some pipes, which I will show here. What is this? Like okay, this in this case, if I show you, there will be some pipes inside the lining to transfer the heat. This is the best one. Okay, so these are the pipes, you see, these are the pipes inside the lining layer. Okay, how we will do that, we will see in the next video. I'm trying to show you to make a concept clear what we are doing in step by step. This is the, you see, these are the pipes. It is in between this lining, and this is the grout, and this is the porous medium. So when we will simulate, we will see there will be fluid flow through there is a fluid flow. This is like a groundwater flow which has been established here, and when the water flow is around the tunnel, as we know, if we consider this as scouring, it may be scouring, but we know when the water flow is get like there is in some or like any object, it gets some force, extra force, and the speed of the flowing water is increased, which has been showing here. So also we will see the temperature of the pipes. I think it can be shown in here. Yes, this is the pipe temperature, okay, which has been seen changes over the time. So we will see by step. If you want to follow, I will try to help myself and help yourself too to complete this thing. Okay, thank you for now.